Do you want to go from kicking like this to kicking like this? Well, you are in luck, because I have 3 tips for you to mastering the kicks of Taekwondo. Chamber your knee. Almost every Taekwondo kick involves a knee chamber. Be it a front kick where you chamber up like this, a side kick where you chamber up like this, or a roundhouse kick where you chamber up like this. It's important to get your knee and leg in the right position before trying to kick the target. It's often a good idea to practice kicking slowly with proper knee chambers. So I'll demonstrate a few low kicks where I'm really working on chambering the knee, extending the leg fully, and then returning the knee back to the chambered position before I set my foot down. Slow and deliberate training like this is one of the best ways to build the foundational strength and coordination you need for Taekwondo kicks. There are 2 kicking positions common in Taekwondo. One is where your kick goes straight up and down, such as a front kick. This chamber is right in the front, and you'll balance from a position like this, where your body stays straight up and down. Most people don't have too much of a difficult time with that one. It's the kicking position where you're rolled over on your side, such as for a side kick or roundhouse kick, that people almost always have more trouble with. So it's good to get comfortable in those positions. As an example, I can practice chambering my side kick and just holding this position. To add difficulty, I can practice lifting and lowering my knee. So I'm working on stability and the control in this position that I need for my kicks. I can also add a hop if I want to work on using kicks for sparring, to be comfortable staying sideways. Now, when you're practicing hanging out in this rolled over position, be it a side kick position or roundhouse kick position, do your best not to let your leg drop. Notice from the side, when my leg drops, my body comes up. Now my head is exposed. You can't kick very well from here. Someone can bulldoze in on you from there. Keep the wall up. Keep your body in this position. Keep your head back. Keep it safe. The last tip might seem so obvious, you might find it strange that I'm even mentioning it. Your hands and your feet are your weapons in Taekwondo. So it's important to make a tight fist or to squeeze the muscles in your foot so you have a strong impact surface. Wouldn't make sense to hit something with a floppy fist or a floppy foot. And yet, when I see people practice their kicking, they often leave their foot loose, especially when they kick in the air. So you'll see roundhouse kicks like this, where the foot just kind of comes out and flops. Remember, if you don't tighten your foot in practice, you probably won't tighten your foot when you need to, like in sparring. And that's an easy way to end up with an injury and a terrible way to try to score on your opponent or, in a self-defense situation, to do damage. You wouldn't want to hit someone with a loose fist. You want your fist to be tight. Same thing with your foot. You need it tight. You need your foot tight. That's how you hurt people. With hard things like baseball bats and crowbars, you want your body to be like a baseball bat or a crowbar. Make it. So to recap, if you want to master Taekwondo kicks, practice these things. Practice your chambers. Get that knee up. Come back to that knee up position. Practice getting comfortable in the roll over position. Hang out here. Do the dishes here. Do your homework here. Get comfortable with that. And finally, make your weapon tight. Squeeze it. Make it strong. And then you'll be well on your way to mastering the kicks of Taekwondo. If you watched this video and you're like, I just did not get enough of this guy, I need more stuff to work on from this guy, go to the website tkdguide.com, and I've got all sorts of free stuff up there. I've got a free video course on stances. I've got a free follow along at home exercise routine so you can get stronger and more flexible. I've got follow-along forms. It's all free. Go to tkdguide.com and check it out. And don't forget don't forget to give me a thumbs up here. Don't be a freeloader. Jiu-jitsu guys, it's just a joke. Settle down. I'm just trolling you, don't worry. It's just a joke, okay? Settle down.